What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing my Boxyluxe for the month of June. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, then yeah, keep on watching. Alright, so excited. I love getting Boxyluxe. I guess there's not really a theme. Okay, so let's see here. The first product is this Rare Beauty Discovery eyeshadow palette. Inspired by Selena's playful side, these berry and rose-based shades celebrate the ever-changing colors we reflect every day. Discover easy-to-wear combos you don't have to think about, with 7 rich buttery shades and a range of finishes, from matte to duochrome, plus a 3D glitter top coat to add shimmering dimension to any look. Okay, that's cute packaging, and it retails for $29, which is not bad for an eyeshadow palette. Ooh, it's actually really pretty. So the shimmering top coat is the center shade. I really like those colors though. Okay, I'm not the biggest Selena fan, but I do like this. Next was my choice item. I do remember that. And it is the Elemis Superfood Midnight Facial, a prebiotic overnight sleeping cream that leaves dry, thirsty skin feeling soft, silky, radiant, and replenished with moisture upon waking. Infused with superfoods, camu, banana flower, and cacao nib extract, this vitamin and mineral-rich formula nourishes the skin and minimizes visible signs of fatigue. Ooh, and I love that it's in a pink container. That does not hurt at all. So this retails for $50. It has a nice kind of like floral scent. Midnight Facial. Okay, so it says sleeping cream, but it's called a midnight facial. Ooh, it's very hydrating. I think I am gonna like that. Elemis is a really good skincare brand, so you know, I have high expectations for that. Alright, moving on. The third product is this NARS Iconic Lipstick. So, which shade is this in? Ooh, Raw Seduction, and it's a satin finish. The color on the box looks promising. Let's see what it looks like IRL. Oops. So here's, you know, the traditional NARS lipstick packaging. Ooh, okay. So it's like a pink or a peachy nude. Will I wear that? Oh, I'm just gonna swatch it. I think I will wear that. Yeah, that's a really pretty peachish nude. Okay. I don't remember if I said it, but it retails for $26. Alright. Whenever I get lip products from Boxycharm, they're not always shades that I would wear, so I'm glad that that one is. Alright, the fourth product is another Elemis product. It is the Elemis Clarifying Clay Wash. Deeply cleanse pores and reduce the look of blemishes with this purifying facial wash. Specifically formulated for oily or blemish-prone skin, the non-drying formula is infused with kaolin clay to lift away excess oils and daily impurities. Okay, I was excited until I read that it's for oily or blemish-prone skin, because I have very dry skin, and I mean I do get zits, you know, around my period, but all this is really big too. This is 5 ounces, and it retails for $49. Calm down. Okay. So this product, let me find it. Okay, this is Keys Soul Care. So this is by Alicia Keys. Let Me Glow Illuminating Priming Serum with niacinamide. I have a problem pronouncing that word. A hydrating, illuminating complexion and makeup priming serum that reveals a healthy golden glow while helping brighten, plump, and smooth the look of your skin. Okay, so you get 1 ounce and it retails for $28. You know I'm all about illuminating products, but I have so many primers, so I'm not sure. Here is the packaging. It's really cute. On the back it says, I give myself permission to glow. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, we got the nice glass bottle. Oh, it's not a pump, it's a not even a doe foot, it's just like a stick. Let's see here. So it is golden like it says. Okay, it's hydrating. It has a smell. It's kind of an odd smell. It's not bad. It's just nothing that I can recognize. Okay. So it definitely gives you a glow. Oh, it absorbed really quickly. Okay. I'm kind of excited about that. Ooh. Okay, so the next product. Alright, next is this Patrick Ta Beauty Major Glow Lip Shine. A universally flattering high shine lip gloss with the cushion and slip of a lip balm for zero stickiness, all shine. So the shade says she's expensive, but it also says it's a universally flattering shade. Ooh, yes! I'm all about the glitter and the shine. Okay, so that does have a doe foot. You can't see it. You can't see the swatch. Should I take off my... I'll take off what I have on my lips and put it on to see if maybe you can see it better on my lips. Okay. Oh, it smells like mint. All right, even though it looks like super glittery in the container, it doesn't look like that on my lips. And there's really not much of a color. It just kind of makes my lips look shiny and plump. And it's definitely not sticky. It's actually very creamy for a gloss. Okay, I like that. Once again, I don't remember if I said, but that retails for $22. Alright, now we have this Day, I don't know if I'm saying that, Cactus Flower Leave-In Conditioner. This conditioner may provide heat protection up to 450 degrees Oh, I love leave-in moisturizers that have heat protection in them as well. But it's carefully formulated for more than just that. The botanical blend also prevents breakage, repairs damage, enhances shine, and increases softness. Plus it carries Day's signature citrus scent. Oh, let me smell it. Oh yeah, it is citrusy. It smells good. Ooh! This retails for $26 and it's 5 ounces. I actually did need a new leave-in conditioner. And the last product is I don't know if this is how you pronounce it, Juve Beauty BU Limited Collection. Includes 3 full-size and 3 mini antibacterial blenders to keep your skin clearer and prettier by preventing the bacterial growth throughout. Okay, so here are the 3 minis. I love mini sponges, but I always lose them. I can't tell you how many of the mini beauty blenders I've had and lost. And then we have three sponges. They're very soft. They feel just like a beauty blender. And why they retail for $65, I don't know. That's like basically the price of a beauty blender. Beauty blenders $20 each. That's $60 here. Okay. I mean, they're nice. I just don't think it's worth $65, but let me see. Here at Juve Beauty, we want to empower and dare you to be your true self. We developed the BU collection in support and solidarity with our LGBTQ+ community to keep the beauty space safe and free, where you can always proudly be you. I do like that though. Okay, so that is my Boxyluxe. Let me add everything up and I'll let you know what the retail value is. So the retail value is $293, which I think is great. The only thing I think is overpriced are the sponges. I mean, the Elemis products are the 2 most expensive, this being $50 and the face wash being $49, but I mean, it's a high-end skincare brand, so that's not, you know, out of the realm of possibility. Like, that's standard. But I'm really excited about this Boxyluxe. I love the lip products. I'm excited about the primer, the leave-in hair conditioner, the midnight facial, the eyeshadow palette. The only thing is the face wash I'll probably put in for a giveaway, but other than that, I'm really, really loving this box. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and let me know if you did get Boxyluxe, what was your favorite product. Alright guys, I will see you in my next video.